I was trying to get him to do a restart, but they wouldn't do it. Honestly, like, Luke, you could have had a really good race. This could have been your best race ever, Luke.
Yeah, I was.
Seriously?
Do you remember? Do you remember?
That was an awesome song.
Mason, how many times have I told you not to ride mini BMX bikes without shoes on?
I'm ready.
Exactly. That's exactly what I meant. I was worried about your hands. That's why I wanted you to wear shoes. Good job, Mason. Okay, you guys, be quiet. I'm trying to explain this, and I suck at explaining things.
Are we making a list of what you suck at?
Just put everything.
Shut up.
Okay, guys, so let me explain how this works. So we currently have 2 bikes for the boys. Mason has a TTR 90. Luke has a KX65. I want to upgrade both of these bikes for the boys. I think they're ready to upgrade, but we have to do it strategically because we're on a budget. We don't have a lot of money. We're gonna have to figure out how this is gonna work. So, the TTR, the reason we're selling that, it's a great bike, Mason likes it, but he can't race it. I've explained that in details in other videos, so I won't explain it here. We need to get rid of this one. I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna get him an SSR. They're cheap, they're somewhat reliable. It'll cost me like 800 bucks to get him another SSR. The other option I was looking at is there was a Polini online. It's an older bike, it's a 2-stroke. I eventually want to get him a 2-stroke. I think we're gonna pass on that one for 2 reasons. 1, because it's older, and 2, the guy hasn't contacted me back yet, which is a problem because there's a race in 4 hours, and if he's gonna race, we need to get him a bike like right now. So judge me if you want, I don't care. I think we're gonna go buy another SSR for Mason to race for the next 3 races. We're gonna sell the TTR. I think I can get like $1,000 for it. Kind of sucks because we just bought a new graphic kit that we haven't even put on yet, but whatever. And then we're gonna take the $1,000 plus the other money that I have saved up, and we're going to get Luke a upgraded 65. I don't know what that's gonna be yet, but we'll find out. So after that, we're gonna upgrade his 65, and then we're going to sell his KX65, and then we're gonna get Mason a better 2-stroke 50. That's probably not gonna... Mason, you're ruining the video again. Luke, you're ruining the video too. Hopefully this makes sense. We're gonna try to upgrade the bikes for the boys, but it's gonna be a little bit of a process, starting with going and picking up another SSR. Mason, come back here with my pit board. Seriously, you want the orange one?
I like the white one.
I like the white one too, Mason. Yeah, you have to kickstart it, but let me make sure the shift pattern goes up. Uh-oh, that's not good. Remember, we want it to shift up, not shift down. Darn it.
Perfect. Yeah, you too. Thanks, Kevin.
Yeah, you shift all the way up into neutral. This is a bummer, guys. I went to all that work to explain my plan and then get here and realize that these have a reverse shift pattern. So right now we're all the way up in neutral, push down into first, down into second. Yep, darn it. I don't know, Mason, what do you want to do? Do you want to just bump up to the 65 class for today and then just, you know, just ride around and make Luke feel good about himself because he won't get last? You want to do that?
Yeah, but I'll get last.
Yeah, you'll probably get last.
No, I'll take some kid out.
That's true. There's a good chance somebody will crash, and it very well might be Luke. But I mean, technically, you're probably not gonna beat anybody, but at least you'll just have fun. You'll have an experience. You'll get some seat time and ride some laps. Is that cool with you, buddy?
Success over the years.
All right, guys, just got to the track, just got set up. We got a pretty decent spot. Heading over here to get signed in. Somebody told me that I could ask and maybe they might let me put Mason in the 50 class if we forfeit points, which I'm totally cool with. I'm really not worried about points tonight. I just want him to have a good time. I just want him to be in racing experiences with people his level so that he learns from it. So basically, I don't know what's gonna happen. That's what this update's all about. I'm just updating you to tell you I don't know what's going on. Just basically like all of my updates. Pretty much every hour, I'm just like, I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, so after standing in line talking to the first girl, and then talking to her grandmother, and then talking to another guy, they decided that Mason's not going to be able to ride the 50 class. Okay, enough patty cake. Come here, I need to talk to you. Okay, Mason, listen to me. So you're going to have to ride the 65 class. I want you to push yourself, though. I want you to ride the wheels off this thing. You're going to be standing up. You're going to be shifting gears in every straightaway. You're going to be downshifting before the turns, gripping the bike with your legs. Cover everything you learned, all right? And even if you get lost, I don't care. I just want you to practice what you learned. Got it? Does that mean what I think it means?
On the line.
Oh no! Cool, thanks buddy. Good job, bud. Jaden, good celebration, man. Woo! Yeah! So Mason was messing around and hit a tree and then broke his electric start, which is pretty much probably like your favorite part of this bike, right? Is the electric start. And now you don't even have the electric start. But luckily, Dad found this stick. And if we push it in just right, hold on.
It will do nothing.
Dang it, it worked a second ago. So now the stick doesn't even work. Ah.
Oh.
Yeah, I would try to start in second gear, okay? If you go in first gear, make sure you're leaning forward because it pops you up really hard. Let's hear that bike, Mason. Woo!
65 again now. Coming up next. Couple stuck in the gate.
Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up.
On the 214, card holds
So is that gonna be a restart? Restart? No restart? So I just checked the replay on my phone, and ironically both Luke and Chase were too far forward. The gate wouldn't close, took them both out. Mason was in the middle of it, got caught up in the gate. Bummer.
number plate stickers?
No, you and Chase were too far forward and the gate didn't close. It hit your tire.
No!
And then you hit the gas and then it like pulls the gate up and Luke Mason gets stuck in it.
No, my tire got kind of stuck in that little, like, thing that drops, like that.
The little thing that drops, you mean the starting gate?
Yeah, I could.
Yeah.
Luckily, I could pull it up.
You were stuck so hard, Luke.
For the strong ride,
thank you
all the
for
way
saving
from Redmond, Oregon.
You and Chase are too far forward.
Ripped the whole gate out of the ground.
It's like a total yard sale, deals everywhere. I was trying to get him to do a restart, but they wouldn't do it. Honestly, like Luke, you could have had a really good race. This could have been your best race ever, Luke.
Yeah, I was.
Seriously?
Dude, I passed Mason. I'm sorry, Mason. I boosted the heck out of you.
Did you?
No,
You know, you always wonder if a parent has to choose between two kids, who would they save? Tonight I found out I would save Mason. I went and helped him first, thinking Luke could get it on his own. I should have went and helped you because you had the chance to do it, have a really good race today. Yeah. Sorry, Luke.
It's okay.
I'm sorry. I failed you, but you kind of failed me too, so it works out.
Step down 4. And then they round into the wide open. Turn them into the inside. Now, 2 more laps to go. And Harriman is on him. Heading into the center with a section. Harriman goes wide. Over the double. Can he make it stick? Higgins at a speed spot. Higgins looks like he's setting up on the inside. And he was. He gave it away. Saving some big time as they approach the Lampier fleet.
Focus. There we go. All right, well, there we go. So results are in. Mason got 13th or last, and Luke came in 11th. I'm not too worried about it. We got the bad moto out of the way. I think this moto is going to be a much better. And really, I don't, with the start that they had, I don't really care what their result was. It's all good. Caden, good luck, man. We'll practice later, okay? Check it out, this is going down to the wire. We got Carson and Chase, they're brothers. Carson's on a YZ85, Chase is on the KX85. They're neck and neck on the last lap. See which brother's gonna win, Chase or Carson. Chase is right on him. I think Carson's gonna hold him off. All right, well, good job, you guys. Neck and neck the whole race. Now let's see how Caden does. Ooh, good start, Caden. Caden's the guy in orange on the KTM, by the way. Number 9, I think. Good job, buddy. Caden's doing really good. He's a BMX specialist, but he's not afraid to get out here and show the dirt bikers what's up. Mason's a ladies' man. He's getting all the attention from the girls over there. You need to up your game, Luke. I'm disappointed. All right, Luke and Mason's last moto is up next. Mason's over here flirting with the girls. And we got the intermediates and the juniors lining up for their start. Let's get a shot of them. That's Tyler. That's, I don't know that kid. That kid, I don't remember. That kid, I'm not sure. And then over there, Tristan somewhere.
And looks like the number 7 of Pruitt's KTM out.
Yeah, there you go, Tristan Pruitt.
Back in the number 4 position
Up
now.
front where he belongs.
Nels on the 05 running in the 3rd spot currently.
Luke, do me a favor and don't hit the gate this time, all right?
Let's do it. Will I hit the gate right here?
I would just give yourself plenty of room. I would scoot back a little bit, like right there. Yeah, start all the way back there, Luke, so you don't hit the gate. Good idea.
Like a clean start for all of our 65 beginner riders.
Going back. Jeez, I don't know why my boys keep wanting to line up on the outside.
No waiting at the Moto Cafe. You have not gotten something to eat or drink yet. Going on 9 o'clock. Papa Murphy's. Kona Ice. Evening is you can buy a raffle ticket for the 2019 Beaverton Motorcycle RMZ 250. Tonight is it. That bike will be given away next Thursday.
If I had to guess, I'd say Luke's probably in about 8th right now. If you can get one more, that would be awesome. Yeah.
Because I passed this kid that crashed and then I passed his dad, so.
That was a solid ride though, Mason. You did good, bud.
It was like just in front of me, and I'm like, it's now or never. And then I hit the double, I paced it.
Yeah.
And then I'm side by
Thanks,
side
man.
with him. You know that jump after the rhythm section?
Yeah.
I scrubbed it. He got away a little bit, like I got to the bottom of it.
Yeah.
And then he took outside, and I'm like, this is my chance. And then
You got him on the inside? Nice.
I got him on the inside, but he passed me back on the table.
Oh, well, that doesn't count then if you didn't make it stick. But that was good, man. I counted 8th. I don't know. We'll have to see what they score you as, but I think I counted you as in 8th position. Because you started like last. You got to stop starting on the outside. Every time you start on the outside, you come around the corner last. So Mason made a friend tonight. He wanted to sweep the gate for her. Let's go check the results here. So Luke, you got 8th and then you got 10th overall. So that's not bad considering the whole...
What did I get overall?
You got 12th overall. So that's not bad. I mean, if we come back next week, maybe Luke might be close to getting 5th overall. You know what I'm saying? He knows what's up. Why don't you say, I like you two on 3, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I like you too.
I like you too.
Shout out to you. Okay, let's go.
We have found a cell phone in the women's bathroom.
Dude, don't. All right, well, I just got done feeding the kids dinner. How do you like your dinner, guys? Good? Yeah. So a little recap over the day. All in all, I think the day went pretty well. We had some bike problems. Where are you going? We'll have to do a recap in a second, I guess. But hey, Mason, let's recap with you, all right? Apparently the track thinks Mason's bike is too big to ride in the 50 class. Even though you're not tall enough to ride a King Cobra 50, even though you're not tall enough to ride a KTM 50 Senior, your bike's still too big to ride in the 50 class, right? That's all right, you did pretty good, huh? You had fun, you had a good time.
Another good ride, and the Hard Charger Award.
Yeah, hold on, let me
Let
wait till after this announcement to finish my thought.
Look at my lips.
Yeah, your lips are super blue, huh? All right, let's double check. Hope I didn't leave anything. I hate when I leave stuff that I need. All right, guys. All in all, I think it was a pretty good day. What do you think?
Oh, yeah.
That was kind of fun, right?
That was my best race ever. That was my best race. I was nervous.
Really? That was your best, Mason? All in all, we had a good day, but you know who didn't have a good day today? Lillian. She's at the hospital right now because she thinks she broke her nose.
Wait, how? What happened?
From gymnastics. Ooh.
Well, I broke my nose a couple.
I know, she's just trying to be like you. She's just copying you, huh, Mason?
1 hour later.
Okay guys, we just got home and we're about to get the kids down and go to bed. But before we end the video, before you click away and watch the morgues, we got Lillian here. She's gonna give us a little bit of an update because she had an exciting day. Tell us about your exciting day today, Lillian.
And I was doing straddle backs and I went to do it and I missed my hands and hit my nose on the bar.
Bum, bum, bum.
It was swollen and I went to the doctor and it could be broken. But we don't.
So did you go get an x-ray?
Yeah.
And they said they didn't know if it was broken or not?
They don't think it is.
So basically what we all want to say is that we're sorry that you got hurt, but we think that gymnastics is just too dangerous and you should just give it up and get back to dirt bike riding.